Hello professionals, today we will learn another late code problem which is sum of prefix scores of strings. So let's understand this problem. First, please read the description. So let's understand by the example here. So there is a string of array is given here. So we have to find these numbers of array. So how? Let's understand. So from it is a string, we have to make a starting prefix. Like in ABC, there's a prefix like A, AB, ABC. These are the starting prefix which start with A only. And for AB, is there only two strings which A and B. Let's understand by the so so for this problem. Uh, so for this problem, there is a two methods are there. One is hash map, another one is prefix tree. So let's understand the example here. So as I told you, for ABC there is a one prefix is A, AB, and ABC. So we have to add these numbers. How we get these numbers? Like in this whole string of array, there is only A into two characters are there, which is ABC and AB. In AB, there's again here two. Then ABC only it present one. So like that we have to uh, find the whole string of prefix. Find another like I find another like I find another one for ABC. For AB, therefore AB there's a and B prefix are there. If I added this two which is in there in the string, so it we get the four result. So like that we get 4, 5, 4, and other details. So let's move. So uh, for this method, it it is a brute force method for finding this. So hash map not so why we are it is not a hash map, it is not a hash set, it is hash map. Why? Because hash set may gives duplicate values, but hash map did not give say duplicate values. So from for the time complexity, so it is a brute force method, so it gives the n into n. So we are checking the all over the strings, that's why it gives the n into n. Then let's understand the, as I told you, hash map and prefix tree is a method to solve this. So let's understand the hash map value in here. So step one, we have to count every prefix we use. So how we use hash map by the iteration. This gives the starting index which is from ABC as I told you, and it just a counting by the iteration. It just count the whole whole integers. So this is brute force method. It did not satisfy the, it is not efficient time complexity. So now if for optimal purpose we use the prefix tree. So how it works, prefix tree, in prefix tree, first it will give it is a root. So first it will read the A, B, C. Then for that here one, as you see here one, then one one. Then after that AB, then it will became two. Then it become two. So this value it becomes a five value. Then for BC, so for why it becomes BC, it will not get. So BC is not a prefix value of A, so it will become new node, which I wrote here. For B, then again for B one one, then B become two. So like that it will we get the these values here 5 4 3 2. So for that first one we get 5, then as I told you for AB for 4, then for this it became 3, then 2. So how we write the code? We write the, let's understand the code. So this prefix value it will gives a limit of the alphabets which is up to the 26 values. So it helps to store the initialize of arrays which is up to the 26 only. Then uh, counting, it is a slice to track the counts. Then for prefix tree, we, as I told you, the root node, which here it is a root node, it represents the root node. Then for insertion, for we have to insert the a b c and b a b b c, like that we have to insert this, and we have to iterate. For that, we first calculate the all the characters here. Then it will then it will give the character values, which is 0 1 2. It will convert the from the ASCII values. It gives ASCII values. After that, so it what this code will do, it will gives, as I told you, for BC it is not a prefix value, so it this code will give another, in for root, another node. So current children, it will give a new prefix node. Then we have to calculate the values of the current values. Count is for counting the prefix parts. In other words, like this, this will calculate. Then for get score, like as I told you, 5 4, this will calculate the whole value. So then it is a root part. We have to get score. What is the score? First, it will the form of character. It will give the values. Then current value will store in the score part. Then return the score. After that, it is a input, which is we are the string. The array will store in this. This is a this create an instance of prefix tree. Then it will insert the prefix tree values, and for updation, this will of getting scores. Then finally it will give result. So let's run the problem. So it is accepted. Yeah. So thank you.